Every person has a unique lifestyle. This lifestyle includes a routine filled with activities that go on according to clockwork. But everything comes to a halt once we fall ill. So, how do we avoid illness? Is it in our hands? Do we understand what causes illness? If we think long and hard, the answers lie in our own lifestyle. By not taking proper care of our health, we create such undesirable situations that leads to the doctor's door. Doctor prescribes medicines and we buy them from a chemist. If we take them on time and in proper dosage, we can regain our health. But hey, wait a second. What if this process doesn't have a doctor or a prescription in it?
In day-to-day life, people fall ill and then they need the doctors. But sometimes these patients are so smart that they bypass the doctor and directly go to the chemist. And chemists are also smart. They ask the complaints and give the medicines to the patients. But then the problem starts. They think that we will recover from this medicine. Instead of recovering, they fall ill or they may get some adverse reaction of the drugs.
Consulting a doctor is always advised, but that should not make us blindfold to follow everything without questioning. Human life is very precious and health problems are related to many others. We fall ill and our body starts reacting to the medicine we take. So, it becomes very crucial to know certain do's and don'ts. Do's: always consult a doctor before taking any medicine. Always adhere to the medicinal regime advised by the doctor. Over-the-counter drugs and medicines should only be taken after reading the instructions on the medicine pack. Check the expiry date of the medicine and keep them out of children's reach. Don'ts: do not put complete trust on chemist's recommendation or advice on medicine purchase or consumption. Do not buy medicines solely on the basis of advertisements. Beware of spurious or faulty drugs and medicines. Avoid indiscriminate use of over-the-counter drugs and medicines. They are meant for temporary relief and not a permanent cure for any health problem or disease. It is necessary to understand the effects of medicines, which can prove fatal if not taken properly. So it's required from our side that we read the label on the medicines before taking them. Look for the identity, check the expiry date, warnings and precautions, and follow the instructions on the label. Apart from all this, asking for a bill or cash memo is also required.
Checking the expiry date is very important because it may even harm your body. There may be unwanted results if you have expired medicine. So that is mandatory and every consumer should follow that.
Life has become so fast-paced that one gets information on one's fingertips. But this information is insufficient without consulting a doctor.
If you are ill, you should always go to the doctor. Don't call him because on phone also the doctor won't come to know what has happened. Go to the doctor or make sure the doctor comes home, sees you and then gives you the prescribed medicine and follow the schedule.
Taking medicine on telephonic call, that is not advice. Many times it may help you, but major times it may harm you. Many times they do feel well with certain medicine like cough syrup, like the sleep medicine, and without doctor advice they keep on taking these medicine. And these many times related with the drug abuse and addiction. And that can harm the person.
We say life is important, but sometimes forget that and start taking health for granted. Drugs are like double-edged weapons. We should not take medicine because we feel better after taking it. It's dangerous and may even lead to addiction.
Any generation, maybe youngsters or middle-aged persons, if they do take more precautions and go for exercises, good diet, they can prevent taking more medicines and can be well off without taking medicines and with the help of exercise and good diet.
Prevention is better than cure. We have to understand that every ill does not require a pill. Some illnesses are cured without medicines. Moreover, use and underuse of medicines may cause severe health hazards. Many times we don't even bother to think about expired date of the medicine. Using expired medicines may cause damage to kidney, liver and other organs. This day injections are also problematic. If the needle is not sterilized, always make sure that the syringe is non-used, disposable and sterilized. If the purchased medicines turn out to be faulty or spurious, the consumer need not feel helpless. There is a way out. C.E.R.C, a consumer rights organization, safeguards consumer interests and helps them get redressal of their grievances through law, media, advocacy, etc. It carries out tests in a state-of-the-art laboratory to cross-check the claims of manufacturers of various products.
We have created an artificial stomach in our laboratory. With the help of Indian foodstuff, we have created acidity in that stomach. As per the guidelines given by the different anti-acid medicine, we have applied the dosage in that artificial stomach, and we found that some of the brands, they were giving only 3 minutes relief. It was not giving appropriate performance for the acidity relief. Unless until we perform such test, we will not able to get any information. In our comparative product testing laboratory, we are giving this type of performance check for different medicine to see the value of money is really worth and tablet or the medicine is meant for appropriate diagnosis is there or not.
The findings of these tests are studied and discussed by a panel of experts and published in a bi-monthly magazine called Insight by C.E.R.C.
We see a lot of advertisements with respect to medicines related to cold, to cough, to acidity. As a consumer, you want to know which brand is the best. How do you know about this? You're looking at the ads and you're buying the product. So here's a magazine brought out by Consumer Education and Research Society called Insight, doing comparative product testing of food, pharmaceuticals and electrical appliances and personal care products. And this magazine tells you which product is conforming to the Indian pharmacopoeia, which product is not conforming, which products are safe to use and which are not. In fact, at one point of time, we tested needles and syringes, and we found that some brands were not conforming to the basic parameter of being sterilized. So I would appeal to consumers that to consult this magazine Insight brought out by Consumer Education Research Society India when they want to buy any products which fall into the category of food, pharmaceuticals, electrical appliances and personal care products. Remember, you are not helpless. You can assert your rights and pursue remedies.
Our world is becoming small. Life has become a race where we run and dream to win every day. We take fast and smart decisions to achieve a supreme lifestyle. But lifestyle word itself has life in it. Today, following simple precautions can make our life easy and beautiful. A bright future is in our hands. Then, why can't we visualize a society without tears? A complete society where every one of us lives happily.